Hello, welcome back. We are going to solve the last part of this question in this video. If you missed out the earlier parts of the solution, you can always get the links to the videos in the caption below. So let's move on to the solution. We are going to draw a graph with only multiple edges. In the part 3 of previous video, we have discussed about multiple edges such that for each pair of the multiple edges is actually contributing 4 degrees to a pair of connected vertices. So now we need to keep on removing the multiple edges in pairs from the set of degrees of vertices. Let's start by writing down the set of degrees of vertices. We have D equals to the set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8. So now we need to keep on removing the multiple edges in pairs. So we can choose the degree of 5 and 8. So we can label this A, B, C, D, E and F. And now we try to remove the multiple edges from E and F. So we minus 2, minus 2. And we get a D prime. 1, 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 8 minus 2 is 6. Again, we need to keep on removing the multiple edges. So we can actually choose from the other vertex. So we can choose from F and D as well, not necessary to be E. So we can just minus out from F and from E as well. So now we have D double prime equals to 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is 3 and 6 minus 2 is 4. We can now remove the vertex from the sets of degrees of vertices. So let's say if we want to remove the vertex F, which is a degree of 4. When we remove the vertex F, we have to remove all the corresponding edges. So we have 4 edges connecting to F. And then we have to choose 4 edges that is connecting to other vertices. So let's say if we choose A, B, C, and D. But then we have to beware that if we choose A, B, C, and D, we will left with 0, 0, 1, 0. So 1 and 3 remaining for vertex C and vertex E. And then we will have a loop there because we have only a degree 1 here and a degree of 3 for the vertex E. So if we remove the edges connecting to them, we're left with only 2 and 0. If we left with 2 here, that means we have a loop. So we have to choose carefully. If we remove the vertex F, we have to remove A, B, C, and E. So let's try this. We try to remove from A, B, C, and E. And then we delete the vertex F. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 1 without doing anything. 3 minus 1 is 2. And we don't have to write the vertex F anymore. Right? Then now we left with 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2. And then we can repeat the process again by removing the vertex E. If we remove the vertex E, then we have to remove the corresponding edges connecting to D, C, and D. So we try to remove the vertex E and do minus 1 here and minus 1 at the D, vertex D. So this is 0 and 0. And we don't have to write the vertex E anymore because we have already taken that out. So now we are left with 4 isolated vertices. And we can start drawing A, B, C, and D, the vertex for A, B, C, and D. So just put it 4 dots. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so move 1 step backwards. So now we have E coming in, and the E is connected with C and D. So we can put a dot here, let's say it's E, and it's connecting to C and D. Okay, and then move 1 step upwards, and now we have to add the vertex F. When we add the vertex F, we have to connect the edges to A, B, C, and E. So put a vertex F here and connect it to A, B, C, and E. A, B, C, and E. And then one step upwards, we need to add the multiple edges. So this multiple edges is connecting to D and F. D and F, D and F. And the one last step, we have to add the multiple edges for E and F. E and F. So this is vertex F. So we can check our step by checking all the degree of vertices. So DA is 1, DB is also 1, DC is 2, DD is 1, 2, 3, DE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and DF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there we go. So we can redraw the graph again without all the labels. So it's something like this. So this is the graph without labels. So there are actually many types of other graphs that you can draw depending on how you remove the multiple edges and the vertex. Okay, so now we have a graph with only multiple edges and no loops. So we have completed all the questions here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a like. And if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you!